So in this section, we are going to see how to trade using powerful indicators. So for this strategy, I'm going to use the following two indicators. The first indicator is down chain channel. So you have to select down chain channel, and in down chain channel, you can see three lines. So this is the first topmost line, this is the middle line, and this is the bottommost line. So this topmost line will act like a resistance. So you can see whenever the candle reaches this topmost line, you can see there is a downward movement. Okay, you can see several places. So when the candle reaches this topmost line, you can see there is a downward movement. And when the candle reaches the bottommost line, you can see there is a pullback. You can see at this place, here, and this place. You can see whenever the candle reaches the bottommost line, this bottommost line will act like a support and there will be a pullback. And there is a middle line. So this middle line will help us to identify the trend. So whenever the candle crosses this middle line from the top, and if it is moving in the downward direction, you can go along with the sellers. On the other side, when the candles break the middle line from the bottom, and if it is going in the upward direction, then it indicates an uptrend and you can go along with the buyers. So for this strategy, I'm going to use one more indicator. So the next indicator is MACD. Before plotting that second indicator, let us change the settings like this. So let us keep the topmost line as red color, and I'm increasing the thickness like this. So the middle line I'm going to select blue color, and the bottommost line I'm going to select it as green color, and let us keep blue color as the background. Now the first indicator is ready, and along with this I'm going to use one more indicator. So go to the indicator section and search for MACD. So MACD indicator will help us to identify the trend. So whenever there is a crossover of red color line, you can see when a red color line crosses the blue color line, there will be a bearish sentiment. On the other side, whenever a blue color line crosses the red color line, there will be a bullish sentiment. So let us wait for the right opportunity. You can see here there is a crossover, and blue color line crosses the red color line. At this place, you can see the sentiment is bullish, and you can see the trend is uptrend. Okay, so now we have plotted both the indicators, and no need to do any changes in MACD settings. Now let us wait for the right opportunity. You can see there is a retracement, so it has reached the topmost level. I'm going to change the time frame to 1 minute, and I'm going to take a downtrend. So the concept used in this particular strategy is whenever the candle reaches the topmost line. Okay, you can see this is the topmost line. So after reaching the topmost level, there will be a downward movement. Okay, so you have to execute trades only at three instances. One is when the candle reaches the topmost level, you can go along with the sellers. The second is whenever the candle reaches the bottommost level, you can go along with the buyers. This is the second opportunity, and we have one more opportunity whenever there is a crossover at the middle line. So this is the downchain channel's central line. So whenever there is a crossover at the middle line, you can go along with the trend. So if it is crossing from the top, and if it is going in the downward direction, then you can go along with the sellers. So this is the inference of this strategy. You can see there is a crossover for this central line. Okay, so I'm going to go along with the sellers. I'm waiting for the confirmation. You can see there is a rejection. Yes, it is confirmed. So I have given a sell trade. So this is the second trade. So this was the first trade. So I executed a sell trade when the candle reached the topmost level, and this is the second opportunity. So this was the winning trade, and this is the second trade I have executed when the candle breaks the middle line in the downward direction. I have entered a sell trade. So this candle, if it breaks the middle line from the top, so it indicates a selling pressure. So let us wait and see whether my prediction is right or wrong. Yes, hopefully, I think we are going to win this trade as well. So this is the second trade. Okay, so you have to trade only at three instances. So the first trade was a successful one, and the second trade was also a successful one. So when the candle reaches this bottommost level, this bottommost line will act like a support. So at the time, I will go along with the buyers.